how about the mechanics of recovery versus NAS? We talked about NAS and the overhead, but what is that? What's actually the difference when an issue is encountered?
The main difference here is that in the case of object storage, especially a well-architected solution, all of the nodes in the cluster are going to participate in this recovery process. Like I mentioned previously, they're going to see that notification that, oh, this node has failed, or this chassis is no longer available in the cluster, and they're all going to pile in and do whatever it takes to true up everything that was associated with that hardware component in the cluster. And as a result, your recovery performance is going to increase as cluster size increases. And we've got another slide that goes through scenarios like that. Whereas with RAID on NAS or SAN, you may have specialized components, such as SSDs for journaling, or you just need to have SSD period, so that the rebuild of the array can take place as quickly as possible before yet another failure happens in that array. A lot of these solutions, you may find yourself bottlenecked through a single controller, for example. You may find yourself in a situation where that single controller fails for whatever reason and takes the whole thing down. You don't have that problem in the object storage solution, because when you scale up and scale out with servers, all of the CPU associated with all of the servers, all of the memory associated with all the servers, all the network interface cards associated with the servers, all the disk controller cards associated with that, all of those are participating in recovery at the same time.